Hillary again. It's been an exciting ride together, and we're nearing our destination. We've learned how to plan a trip to the supermarket, identify fresh ingredients, and store them in a way that maintains their nutritional value. But the truth is, we can't always consume all the foods we purchase before they become stale and lifeless. Thankfully, there are ways to preserve them and have a bit of fun too. Aside from the obvious options of preserving foods like tossing them in the freezer, let's go through some fun, no-hassle ways of preserving excess produce and herbs before they spoil. Hear me out on this one. These aren't the time-consuming recipes your grandmother used to make. This is a quick pickling technique that you can do to preserve produce while on the go. Heat the vinegar, sugar, and salt in a small saucepan. Add each vegetable to one of 4 jars along with 1 bay leaf and 1 teaspoon of each spice. Pour the brining mixture over the vegetables, cover the jar, and refrigerate. When life gives you bruised fruit, make jam with your fam. We're going to take locally grown berries that have over-ripened and make a sweet, sweet jam. Combine the berries in a bowl with the sugar and let sit for 10 minutes. Add to a large saucepan with the orange juice and zest and simmer for 20 minutes. Pour the fruit into a jar and let it cool. Refrigerate and enjoy for up to 3 weeks. Dried herbs make a great addition to your favorite dish. The problem is drying herbs can take a really long time. So here's a quick hack to dry herbs in under a minute. All you have to do is lay out your herb of choice on a paper towel and microwave. The time will vary depending on the herb. There are so many imaginative and fun ways you can preserve ingredients before they go to waste. From veggies to herbs, with a little bit of creativity, you'll have a pantry stocked with snacks that will last you. We've reached the end of our journey to a kitchen stocked with more vital, natural ingredients. Now even your kids will think you're fresh. I don't think kids say that anymore.